Hi, and welcome back to Recover 360 Total Shoulder Health. In this video, I'll guide you through what to expect in the first 48 hours after your total shoulder replacement. This period is crucial for healing, pain management, and protecting your new shoulder. So today, we will cover immediate postoperative care, tips for managing pain and swelling, and how to perform some basic tasks like dressing and eating. Also, we'll talk about why rest is important and what to avoid in these early days. So let's get started. So, immediate postoperative care. The first 2 days after surgery can feel overwhelming, but don't worry. Everything you're experiencing is part of the normal recovery process. Here's what you can expect. So, you'll be in a sling, and this is really to protect your shoulder and allow healing. We're going to wear it at all times unless otherwise instructed by your doctor. Pain and swelling. This is normal after surgery. Your shoulder is going to feel stiff, and you may notice bruising down your arm and even into your hand. Limited motion. You should avoid using your shoulder muscles right now. Your movement will be very limited, and that's okay. Medications. Your doctor has prescribed pain medication and anti-inflammatories to help with discomfort. Take them as directed and don't wait until the pain is unbearable before taking them. You may feel tired, so your body's healing. The anesthesia from surgery may still be in your system, so it's normal to feel drowsy or sluggish. And the most important thing to remember is please protect your shoulder. Keep it still and let your body heal. Next, we're going to discuss tips for managing pain and swelling. So pain and swelling will happen, but there are ways to manage it effectively, and here's what you should do. Use ice. Apply an ice pack for 15 to 20 minutes every hour while awake. Always place a towel between the ice pack and your skin to prevent frostbite. Elevate your arm. So while sitting or laying down, place a pillow under your elbow to keep your arm slightly elevated away from your body. Take medication as prescribed. Your doctor's prescribed, again, pain medication and anti-inflammatory, so take them as directed and don't skip doses. You want to make sure we move your fingers in your hand. So by gently opening and closing your hand and moving your fingers, you can keep circulation flowing. And then most importantly, please be patient. The first 2 days are the hardest. Pain and swelling will improve as you follow these steps. Next, we will talk about safe ways to perform basic tasks. So simple tasks such as dressing, eating, and getting comfortable can be tricky at first. Here are safe ways to do everyday activities. Getting dressed. Wear loose, comfortable clothing like button-up shirts or oversized t-shirts. You want to use your non-surgical arm to help dress your affected side. You want to avoid raising your shoulder, and you want to let the fabric slide over your arm instead. Eating and drinking. Use your non-surgical hand again as much as possible. Keep food at table height so you don't have to reach. And drink from a cup with a straw to avoid lifting anything too heavy. Sleeping comfortably. Many patients find it easier to sleep in a recliner or propped up with pillows for the first few days. Avoid laying flat because it can cause swelling and discomfort in your shoulder. Keep a pillow again under your elbow to support your arm. And a tip here is to have a friend or family member help you with difficult tasks whenever possible. Next, we're going to discuss importance of rest and avoiding overuse in this phase. So please do not try to do too much too soon. Many patients will feel tempted to move their shoulder early, but the first 48 hours are for rest. Here's what you should do instead. Keep your shoulder still and protected. You want to use your non-surgical arm for daily activities, and you want to follow your doctor's post-operative instructions very carefully. In this phase, you should prioritize rest and recovery. Again, you're only 48 hours after surgery, so please, overusing your shoulder too soon can slow the healing and even cause complications. So your job right now is rest, protect, and recover. So what not to do? We want to avoid lifting anything heavier than a coffee cup. So please do not remove your sling unless instructed right now. Do not push or pull or reach with your surgical arm. Do not sleep on your surgical side. And do not skip your medication. You want to stay ahead of the discomfort in the first 48 hours. Do not ignore signs of excessive pain or redness. Contact your care team if you notice anything unusual, and following these precautions will set you up for a smooth recovery. So some final thoughts on your first 48 hours. To summarize the key points, we want to make sure that the first 48 hours are about healing, rest, and pain management. You want to use ice, elevation, and pain medication to stay comfortable. And we want to make sure that we protect your shoulder by keeping it still and using your non-surgical arm to do all of your basic tasks. Rest in the first 48 hours is essential, so do not rush into movement too soon. In our next video, we're going to discuss some safe exercise to start gentle movement while keeping your shoulder protected. And as always, please stay patient, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next section.